Looking at what's happening across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh, the southern part of India is winning that race. And you know what? India is benefiting. Tonight, Coimbatore is rewriting Tamil Nadu's investment map because at TN Rising 2025, the Tamil Nadu government is set to sign 158 MoUs worth 43,844 crore rupees, creating 1,709 new jobs, the highest ever commitment for the Coimbatore zone. And these aren't just generic MoUs. This is a precision-engineered investment wave across electronics, defense, aerospace, auto electronics, data centers, and GCCs, the exact sectors driving India's next decade. At Front Page, we bring you these stories without PR filters, without paid placements, just independent journalism tracking India's tech, industry, and investment revolution in real time. So it's obvious. Please like, share, and subscribe. Takes a second for you. But you know what it does? It helps us keep this work alive and kicking. Summit after summit, city after city, number after number. Your support means a lot to the entire team at Front Page. And now, here are the headline investments being locked in. SCT Global Data Centers, 4,200 crore rupees, Chennai zone. 1,800 high-value digital infra jobs. Hyundai Via, 1,200 crore rupees. Johnson Electric, 1,300 crore rupees. Caliber Interconnect, Singapore, 3,000 crore rupees. TD Connects, Singapore, 1,057 crore rupees. Sandcraft Industries, 400 crore rupees. Telth Healthcare, 1,250 crore rupees. That alone adds up to about 12,400 plus crore rupees. But the biggest story is the cluster effect Coimbatore is building. Tamil Nadu will also sign major MoUs in aerospace, defense, drones, and small aircraft manufacturing. VAF Aero Systems, 510 crore rupees. Sakti Aircraft Industry, 500 crore rupees along with 1,200 jobs. Fovia Tech, 200 crore rupees. Drones. Minerva SPV, 51 crore rupees. Singularity Aerospace, 50 crore rupees. Countermeasures Technologies, 50 crore rupees. The message after all of this is quite clear. Coimbatore wants to be India's tier 2 aerospace capital. Tamil Nadu is doubling down on advanced electronics, a sector that will define India's $300 billion electronics vision. Caliber Interconnect, 3,000 crore rupees. Expansion TD Connects, 1,057 crore rupees. Sandcraft Industries, 400 crore rupees. So, expansion in mobile and telecom components, electronics manufacturing plus high-value design plus telecom supply chain equals Coimbatore becoming the West Zone's electronics nerve center. The SCT Global Data Centers, that is about 4,200 crore rupees investment alone, signals something very, very crucial. Tamil Nadu wants to become India's next hyperscale data hub after Mumbai and Hyderabad. And this is not a standalone signal. ELCOT has now floated tenders for a 17.17-acre IT park joint venture in Villanakurichi, Coimbatore, with strict development conditions. 5 lakh square feet minimum build-out per plot, 5-year execution deadline, integrated IT, mixed-use, convention and hospitality stack. This is, well, the infrastructure backbone required to attract GCCs, semiconductor design centers, cloud engineering labs, and AI research and development clusters. Local giants are stepping up too. Fabulous. CRI Pumps, 2,060 crore rupees along with 2,000 jobs. LMW Group, 1,050 crore rupees across aerospace, research and development, and electronics. Hatsun Agro, 860 crore rupees, along with 400 jobs. This shows Coimbatore's industrial base is reinvesting into the future economy, not just traditional manufacturing. This is the third TN Rising Summit after Thoothukudi and Hosur. The purpose is quite clear. Push high value investments into tier 2 and tier 3 cities so growth isn't Chennai centric. Coimbatore's pitch this year focuses on this: advanced and auto electronics, aerospace and defense drones, and small aircraft digital infrastructure, data centers plus GCCs, healthcare, hospitality and education, precision manufacturing, research and development, and talent pipelines. In short, Coimbatore wants to be Tamil Nadu's future ready industrial plus innovation plus services hub. All of this happens as Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka fight for AI, electronics, and data center investments. But today's numbers show Tamil Nadu is holding its ground without entering a race to the bottom incentive war. And with structured MoUs, tiered follow-ups, and sector-led clustering, Tamil Nadu is betting on quality plus sustainability, not just headline in crores. So in conclusion, the front page take. Clearly, this is Tamil Nadu signaling Coimbatore is no longer a tier 2 city. It's actually a high-tech manufacturing, electronics, defense and data infrastructure zone. A 43,844 crore rupees commitment in a single day makes that message loud and clear. If executed well, today's MoUs could reshape the industrial geography of South India, shifting high-value jobs, design, talent, and next-generation tech clusters deep into the Western corridor. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. Will this investment finally push Coimbatore into India's high-tech big league, or are we still just getting started? And of course, before we sign off on this story, and a very inspiring one, a quick reminder of something Nara Lokesh said just last week. When states compete, India progresses, end quote. Looking at what's happening across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh, the southern part of India is winning that race. And you know what? India is benefiting.